Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. Going to run through an exercise to help with the thoracic spine mobility, and this is particularly good for creating more extension through the spine. So you're going to use a rolled up towel behind the back and just placing the feet out from the wall so that you've got a bit of pressure up against that towel. And from there, you're going to go into some side bending. So you're going to side bend through the trunk. Try and focus the side bending right where the towel is contacts through the spine. And then once you've done about 6 of those each side, you can move the towel down a little bit and go through 6 more side bends there. So you can choose 4 or 5 different positions along that thoracic spine to do 6 side bends. And then we're going to go into rotations. So same kind of thing, you're going to rotate through your pelvis. So you're creating that leverage or that pivot point on the towel. So you're trying to keep your back on the towel as much as you can and rotate your trunk below that. So we'll do about 6 each side, and again, choosing those 3, 4, 5 positions to do that as you go, rotating through the pelvis. As always, we're going to the point of restriction or discomfort, never to the point of pain. If you're unsure, just back off and work within your comfort range. So once you've done your 4 or 5 positions on the spine doing that, then you can go into flexion extension. So you're going to extend through the spine, so you're extending over the towel, opening up and lengthening through the front, and then you're going to flex forward. So you're pushing your back against the towel and taking your lower back and upper back off the wall, extending back towards the wall and then flexing forward. So again, about 6 of those in different positions along the thoracics. Try and find 4 or 5 different positions.